Hey, what's up guys? So for the past couple months, I've been quietly building a tool to help you save a bunch of money. And if you go take a look at vortexradar.com/deals, and I'll link to this page for you down underneath the like button, this is basically a compilation of all the best discounts available on different popular countermeasures. And what's nice about this is this page gets automatically updated every single day, which means as new deals pop up, that page will get updated every morning, and then as old deals expire, they're going to automatically disappear from that site too. And this page is designed to automatically go check Amazon, the manufacturer's website, as well as Best Buy, and take a look at where the lowest price is and share that with you guys right there in one area. And so if you want to check it out, I'll put a link to this page for you down underneath the like button. Now, the reason that I started this project was actually for my own internal purposes initially, where you know how we have all these different discounts for Black Friday and Prime Day, and we're always wondering like, are these deals actually any good? Well, I've basically taken my OpenClaw, and one of the many projects that I've done with it is to essentially build a scraper that will go out and check the current prices for all these different sites to see like, what are the actual sale prices like? And then when we get to Prime Day and Black Friday, we can see whether or not those discounts are actually like the best deals that we've seen in the last 30 days, 90 days, etc. Now, coming back to this deals page on my website, for the longest time, that page was really not updated that often. I mean, to go in and check for all the prices for everything manually and then update each deal individually, quite honestly, it just takes a lot of time, and to be frank, most of the time I get busy or I just forget about it, to be honest. And so that page would usually just be stale, not really updated, and would basically be out of date and not really all that useful. However, now that I've got this tool that automatically checks for the pricing every day, I can also go in and update that page for you every morning so that while we're asleep, it's going to go find the lowest prices and then share them every single day so that we can all check them out. And at this point, it seems to be working pretty well, which is why I want to go ahead and do a video on it to share it with you guys. If you notice any issues or maybe other features you'd like me to add or other websites to check or something, you can let me know and I can always update the tool and improve things or add some additional functionality. But for the most part here, this seems to be a really nice way to keep track of different discounts on different countermeasures, as well as some of the permanent sales and coupon codes that are available on a lot of different dash cams and laser jammers and stuff. And now, again, we have it all saved in one central location. So that's kind of the quick backstory about that. And if you want to check it out, head on over to the website, link down below, and you can see all the different discounts that are available today.